realizing my baby's gone. Like, it feels like I'm in panic mode again.
The man accused of kidnapping and killing 5-year-old Michael Vaughan in 2021 appeared in court today for a status conference. I sat in on Stacey Wondra's hearing in Payette County this morning, lasted less than 10 minutes because status conferences are mostly procedural. Stacey walked into the courtroom wearing dress clothes and shackles and took a seat at the defense table with his attorneys. Just feet away, Michael Vaughan's mother, Brandy, sat in the front row surrounded by friends. Stacey Wondra appeared for his status conference in Payette County ahead of his preliminary hearing this week. What was your reaction to seeing Stacey in court?
I started shaking. I wanted to say something so badly, lots of things, but I know that that's not going to help any. We want justice for Michael, and that's why we're here.
Wondra is charged with first-degree murder, kidnapping, destruction of evidence, and persistent violator in connection with the death of little Michael Vaughan, who disappeared in July 2021 from outside his home in Fruitland. During Wondra's brief hearing Monday, the defense and prosecution told the judge they're ready to move forward with the preliminary hearing, which is where the prosecutor, Mike Duke, will argue there's probable cause to move these charges along to district court and a trial.
Discovery, because there's so much in this case, it is still ongoing. And I think both parties are aware of kind of the nature of that.
In Wondra's prelim, an Idaho court spokesperson says there won't be a jury or finding of guilt, but the prosecutor can call witnesses, and the defense can cross-examine and introduce their own evidence.
There will be some truths heard, and it's going to be really emotional. It's going to be hard.
Outside the courthouse, Michael's mom, Brandy, told me she also feels a sense of relief.
Now everybody can see what law enforcement has been doing, what the prosecuting attorney has been doing. They're still working, bringing in leads, following up on them. It's still an active, ongoing investigation.
Stacey's ex-wife, Sarah, and their 2 former roommates, Brandon Shurtleff and Adrienne Lucian, have also been named as suspects in this case. Sarah was charged in 2022 with failing to report Michael's death, but that charge was later dropped. According to Stacey's probable cause affidavit, he's accused of being present during Michael's abduction and later admitted to investigators he watched Sarah carry the boy into their home as part of an alleged scheme to sell the child for $10,000. Wondra also implicated the others in the boy's death by suffocation and burial in the backyard of their Fruitland home, just down the street from the Vaughans. We were there as 5 cadaver dogs later flagged that same location during a search.
I believe it was a coordinated effort. And I believe there's people still conspiring as well.
You saw that blue ribbon on Brandy's shirt there. One of her friends passed these out. It has a little monkey on it because that was the nickname that Michael was affectionately given. Again, Wondra's preliminary hearing will begin at the courthouse tomorrow at 9 a.m. It's scheduled to last all week, but remains to be seen how long it takes. We will, of course, be there. So stay with KTVB, KTVB.com, and KTVB Plus for all of the latest.